Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. Which memory management scheme suffers from internal fragmentation when a process is smaller than the allocated partition? The correct answer is option A, fixed partitioning. The translation look-aside buffer, TLB, is used to speed up which of the following processes? The correct answer is option B, address translation from logical to physical. Which page replacement algorithm can suffer from Bilaty's anomaly, where the page fault rate increases as the number of frames increases? The correct answer is option C, first in first out FIFO. In the best fit allocation strategy, the operating system searches the entire list of free holes to find which hole? The correct answer is option D, the smallest hole that is big enough. What does the Inode in a Unix-like file system primarily store? The correct answer is option A, metadata about a file except its name. Which I/O technique allows a device to transfer a block of data directly to or from main memory without continuous CPU involvement? The correct answer is option B, direct memory access, DMA. In disk scheduling, the shortest seek time first, SSTF, algorithm selects the request that is closest to. The correct answer is option C, the current position of the disk head. Thrashing occurs in a virtual memory system when? The correct answer is option D, the system spends more time swapping pages than executing instructions. The address generated by the CPU is known as the. The correct answer is option A, logical address. Which file allocation method suffers from high seek time and is not suitable for direct access, random access, files? The correct answer is option B, linked allocation. Which disk scheduling algorithm is often called the elevator algorithm because it moves the head from one end to the other, servicing requests along the way? The correct answer is option C, scan. External fragmentation can be resolved by which of the following techniques? The correct answer is option D, compaction. In a segmented memory management system, a logical address consists of which two parts? The correct answer is option C, segment number and segment offset. Which page replacement algorithm replaces the page that has not been used for the longest period of time? The correct answer is option B, least recently used, LRU. What is the purpose of the dirty bit, modify bit, in a page table entry? The correct answer is option C, to indicate if the page has been modified since it was loaded. Which of the following is a disadvantage of the contiguous allocation method for files? The correct answer is option D. It leads to external fragmentation on the disk. A page fault occurs when? The correct answer is option A. The requested page is not in the main memory. Which of the following is a benefit of using a spooling system? The correct answer is option C. It allows multiple users to share a single printer effectively. The working set of a process refers to. The correct answer is option C, the set of pages in the most recent delta time interval. Which disk scheduling algorithm services requests only in one direction and then jumps back to the beginning of the disk without servicing on the return trip? The correct answer is option D, C-scan. In an inverted page table, the number of entries is proportional to. The correct answer is option A, the number of frames in physical memory. Which mechanism is used to handle the situation where the total size of processes exceeds the physical memory available? The correct answer is option B, swapping. What is the primary function of a journaling file system? The correct answer is option C, to keep a log of changes to ensure consistency after a crash. A trap is an interrupt generated by. The correct answer is option D, software, due to error or system call. Which of the following is not a valid state for a process in a typical OS? The correct answer is option D, executing I/O. The mounting of a file system refers to. The correct answer is option B, attaching a file system to a specific directory in the hierarchy. Which of the following describes direct I/O? The correct answer is option A, I/O that bypasses the operating system's buffer cache. The time taken for the disk controller to move the disk arm to the desired track is called. The correct answer is option B, seek time. In an access control list, ACL, model, protection is managed by. The correct answer is option C, associating a list of users and their permissions with each object. What is the main advantage of the double buffering technique in I/O? The correct answer is option B. It allows the CPU to process one buffer while the I/O device fills another. Thank you for watching.